Here's Brian reading all the comments on the spider video that I posted last night.
I used to catch them and have spider fights.
Yeah, keep reading.
You want to see that?
He says,
And then eating as spider chips.
eat the spider chips.
Yeah, now you guys are just bent. Chicken intestines is one thing, but chowing on spiders?
What the hell? Look, it's like black. Babe, better squish it.
No, I'm not
Take
going
it.
near it.
Here.
No.
Okay, you take this. Take
No,
this.
don't squish it.
Wow, look how big it is.
Well, call somebody.
Fucking gigantic. Oops,
Call the military. It's
Look,
big.
look what's out in the middle. And even the shining.
I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a jumping, barking spider.
Here, hold it. I'm gonna squish it.
No, ew, I don't want to see that. That's gross. I don't want to see that.
It's
Now
huge.
f***ing nightmares. Spiders that big.
You can bleep it, babe. I gotta
Prince-
kill
Prince.
this. No, don't call him.
Prince Jr.
Here, would you take this so I can kill it?
Look at the size of that spider. Holy cow. Don't, it's going to jump at you and bite. No.
What do you mean it's gonna bite? Babe, it's huge. You can't let it go in the house. We have bug spray.
Well, then don't throw it at it because you're not going to do anything. You got to go whack it.
I'm scared.
Yeah. You got to get right in there
It's
and
like
whack
bigger
it.
than my... Oh, I got it already.
Yeah, see, you didn't do it. Now it's pissed off. Now it's going to come and eat you in the
But
middle
I
of the
got
night.
it.
Do you see spiders like that all the time?
Oh
No.
my god. That was bigger than your hand. It was like...
Okay, well, you can show Big Prince and find out what that was. Jumping, barking spider.
Spider gambling in Philippines. There's a lot.
Spider gambling.
Yeah. Sometimes we go to the mountain to get some spider for a fight. And
It must be big spiders.
yeah, sometimes it's big. Sometimes there's like a crowd at the back. And then sometimes we sell spiders for about 100 pesos, 50 pesos, yeah, for one spider. Yeah, just like cockfighting.
Cockfighting, yeah.
Yeah, a lot. You can search in YouTube.
Okay.
Spider fighting in Philippines.
Would you like to see the spider fighting in the Philippines?
No. not with jumping, barking spiders.
Jumping, barking spiders.
I can get one and put in the stick both sides, and then we will go and then fight. Yeah. They will get cheap spider.
No, you just told me that wasn't true.
Nah, sometimes
Sometimes.
just for fun.
Okay, which was right. I called him a liar.
42,000. It's an online gambling. 49,000.
So they don't jump off?
Yeah. Yo, there you go.
Nagkakabalikan. Medyo siguro bibig lang talaga dito sa nalaman niya.
Fast forward. Fast forward. There.
So that was just a quick video of my husband's spider episode. We'll have some more videos later today as we are gonna go to a nice resort for our anniversary. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Cheers.